Many installed audio systems require a small footprint and maximum configurable options to keep both end-user and system integrator happy. Introducing the Intusonic INTUFORCE 2SDL70, a compact 2x65-watt stereo audio utility amplifier aimed at small to medium-sized background audio installations. The 2SDL70, besides its small format, offers an extremely easy-to-understand user interface limiting misuse and user error. The front panel provides visual feedback for the power and protect status, plus independent overload indicators for the left and right channels. Input connections are provided in the form of both 6.35mm TRS and 3.5mm screw terminal blocks, with a matching link output allowing to build large cascaded systems when used in conjunction with the pre-post switch. Each output channel offers an independent level control and a 100 Hz high-pass filter for smaller connected loudspeakers. An input forwarding switch allows the 2SDL70 to operate as a dual mono amplifier, further extending the capabilities of this compact workhorse. Finally, an output mute for connection to an emergency system completes this amplifier's rich feature set. Included in the box are front and wall brackets, whilst being compatible with the JUP2 rack accessory. For more information, please visit www.intusonic.com.